Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's podcast, where we'll be exploring a topic that's shaping our future: artificial intelligence, or AI. I'm Emily, and I'm joined by my co host, Jack.
Hey, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. We'll discuss what AI is, how it works, its impact on our lives, and some ethical questions surrounding it. And Dr. Brown will be with us to help break down some of the more complex vocabulary and ideas.
That's right. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about AI, this podcast will make it all easy to understand. Ready to dive in? Segment 1. What is AI? Let's start from the beginning. What exactly is AI?
Good question. AI, or artificial intelligence, is basically technology that allows machines to think like humans. This can include recognizing speech, understanding text, solving problems, and even driving cars.
Right? It's not like in the movies where robots have feelings or try to take over the world. Today's AI systems are designed to help us perform tasks more easily and efficiently.
Yes. For example, when you talk to Siri or Google Assistant on your phone, that's AI in action. It's designed to understand your words, find information, and respond appropriately. This is known as narrow AI because it's specialized to perform specific tasks. Vocabulary breakdown, Dr. Brown.
Dr. Brown, hello, listeners. Let's go over some important words here. First, narrow AI refers to AI systems that are created to do one specific task. They're not as versatile as humans, but can perform their assigned tasks very efficiently. Another term is speech recognition, which is the ability of a machine to identify spoken words. This is what makes your voice assistant understand you.
Segment 2. How does AI work? So, Jack, how does AI actually work?
Great question, Emily. At its core, AI works by analyzing a lot of data and finding patterns. Think of it as a really fast learner. AI algorithms, which are a set of instructions or rules, process this data and make predictions or decisions.
For instance, if we show an AI program thousands of pictures of cats, it will eventually learn to recognize a cat in any new picture. This learning process is called machine learning.
Exactly. And there's another type of machine learning called deep learning, which uses complex layers of processing to solve even more complicated tasks, like diagnosing diseases or driving cars.
So basically, the more data you give AI, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns and making predictions.
Vocabulary breakdown, Dr. Brown, some important words here. Algorithm refers to a set of rules or steps that a machine follows to complete a task. Machine learning means a machine learns from data without being explicitly programmed for each specific task. And deep learning is an advanced type of machine learning that uses layers of information to process very complex data.
Segment 3. AI in everyday life. Let's talk about AI in our daily lives. You might not even realize it, but AI is everywhere.
For instance, when you scroll through social media, AI is working behind the scenes, deciding what posts you might like based on your past activity. This is called a recommendation system.
And streaming services like Netflix and Spotify also use AI to recommend movies, shows, or songs based on what you've watched or listened to before.
Another area where AI is becoming essential is healthcare. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases faster by analyzing medical images, saving both time and lives.
Vocabulary breakdown, Dr. Brown, let's break down some terms here. Recommendation system refers to technology that suggests content based on a user's past behavior. Diagnosis means identifying a disease based on symptoms, and AI can help doctors with this process by analyzing data quickly.
Segment 4. Ethical concerns of AI. Now, as fascinating as AI is, it also brings up some serious ethical questions. Jack, what are some of the main concerns?
One of the biggest concerns is bias in AI. AI learns from data, so if the data is biased, the AI will be too. For example, if an AI program is used in hiring but is trained on biased data, it might unfairly favor one group over another.
Another concern is privacy. Since AI collects and processes a lot of data, there are questions about how much information it should have access to and how it's used.
And then there's the issue of transparency. People need to understand how AI makes decisions, especially when it's used in areas like healthcare or criminal justice.
Vocabulary breakdown. Dr. Brown. Important vocabulary here. Bias means unfairly favoring one thing over another. Privacy refers to a person's right to keep their information secure. And transparency means being open and clear about how something works, which is crucial for trust in AI.
Segment 5. Future of AI and our jobs. Jack, a lot of people are worried AI will take away jobs. What's your take on this?
That's a valid concern, Emily. AI is definitely changing the job market. While some jobs may be automated, AI is also creating new roles in fields like data analysis, programming, and robotics.
So the key might be adapting to these changes and learning skills that complement AI, rather than fearing it.
Exactly. In fact, as AI takes over repetitive tasks, it frees up humans to focus on creative and strategic roles. The future job market will likely include roles where humans work alongside AI rather than being replaced by it.
Vocabulary breakdown. Dr. Brown. Some useful terms here. Automate means to use technology to perform tasks without human assistance. Adapt means to change or adjust to new conditions. And complement here means to work well with something, in this case, for humans and AI to work together.
Well, that brings us to the end of our podcast on AI and technology. We hope you found this discussion both informative and easy to understand.
Thanks for joining us. Remember, AI is a tool, and it's up to us to use it wisely. Keep learning, stay curious, and see you next time.
Dr. Brown, and remember, listeners, understanding these terms and ideas not only helps you in understanding AI, but also improves your English. Keep practicing, and see you soon.
Don't miss out on our exciting tech lessons and adventures. Hit subscribe and join us as we dive into the world of new technology.